In today's video, I'll show you how you can scroll text in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector, and now the first thing that you'd want to do is that you want to go here into the titles tab on the top left, and then you want to go into end credits. So this is one of the examples in scroll text, because as you can see, I'm going to go one of the templates right here, for example, this one. And then we will now have this effect that would scroll the cast or the end credits from bottom to the top. So that's it if you'd want a vertical effect. And now all that's left is that we could now change the names right here. For example, I'm going to go for Kyle. And then you could also change the presets right here for the font style, the special effects, and you have many more right here. The border, the shadow, the blend, position, and so on. So that's it. And now when we play it, we'll have something like this again. And now what if you would want something that goes sideways? You could also do that. And it would actually depend on the version of PowerDirector that you have, because it might be that you already have a scroll text effect or animation right here built in your titles. So you just have to find it right here. So you can start by going here to the search titles and typing in scroll. And you might have some scroll animations right here, but in my case, I don't have one. So I'm just going to try it out right here. And let's see if this is a scroll effect. And now it's importing. And now when I play this, as you can see, it's not. And unfortunately, we wouldn't be able to force this into a scrolling effect because it won't let us add keyframes into it. As you can see, when I click on it, I can see the keyframe right here. But I could do some animations like for the in and out. Maybe I could do a slide animation right here. So we have the scroll up, scroll down. Here it is, scroll left. So this is what we want. So you want to click on that. And then you want to click on yes. And now let's see the result. And as you can see, it's now scrolling in right there. But the effect right here is not really included. So I think we'll just have to look for another title. So let's say that this title right here. And then do the same thing. Let's go for the scroll left effect. Double click on it. And then go into animation right here. Or you can click here on edit. And right here, let's do it again. Where's the animation? So it would actually depend on the kind of title that you're putting in here, because not all of them would be able to go into the animation tab. So I'm just gonna go for a different title, see if I can do it right here. This one is not possible. As you can see, I don't have the animation window. So I'm just gonna go back. Let's see. Because if I do it for this one and I double click, as you can see, I have the animations. It would actually really depend on the kind of title that you are putting. So take note of that. That's very important. And now I'm just going to choose this one right here. I'm just going to demonstrate on how you'd be able to force this. Go into animation. Right here, click on this. And basically, I'm just going to add something first. So maybe something like that. Then go into animation. And go into in. I'm gonna go into scroll left, or you can go for a loop actually. Let's see if we have the scroll right here. And now you'd be able to see it right there. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.